everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are having this unique equation to solve, and we start by saying solution. So if we remember, a raised to power s times a raised to power m is equals to a raised to power x plus m. So when you have the same base, the power are therefore added because the operation is multiplication. Same here, we're going to say 9 raised to power x plus s is equals to 36. So x plus s is 2s. 9 raised to power 2s equals to 36. You see? So the next option that we will have will be, let's write each of them in an index form. So if I have 3 raised to power 2, that is 9. And if I have 3 raised to power 3, that is 27, is less than 36. And if I decide to have 3 raised to power 4, it is 81. And it's far higher than 36. What am I trying to point out? There is no way we can have 36 written in an index form with a base of 3 like 9. Successfully, we have it with 9, but with 36 it's not possible. So our next option is to take natural log to base 10 of both sides. That is to say, log 9 raised to power 2s equals to log 36. You see? So now log is bailing us out of the quagmire. And if we remember, if we have log a raised to power s, the same thing as s log a. So the power multiplies the log. So we're going to do that to 9. It becomes 2s log 9 equals to log 36. And if we decide to divide through by log 9, it therefore will become log 9 over log 9. Log 9 will cancel log 9. We'll be left with 2s equals to log 36 over log 9. Yes. If I say 2 times 18, that is 36. Or even 3 times 12, that is 36. Or what of 4 times 9? That is 36. I can decide to use any of these in place of 36. I would like to go by 4 times 9. The reason being that I have 9 already. For easy simplification and manipulations, I would rather go with this. So our next equation, in place of 36, I will put 4 times 9 so that we can progress together smoothly. Alright, so it becomes 2s equals to log 4 times 9 up over log 9. And also, if you remember, we will have log a times b, the same thing as log bracket log a plus log b. So when the operation is multiplication, you add that up. So the same thing we'll do here. It becomes 2s equals to log 4 plus log 9 all over log 9. And this thing can be written as 2x equals to log 4 all over log 9 plus log 9 all over log 9. Yeah, and this is correct. So you cancel out log 9. So 2s therefore is equals to log 4 over log 9 plus 1. So from there we have 2s equal to log 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. And then log 3 raised to power 2. And 3 raised to power 2 obviously we know to be 9 plus 1. Don't forget the 1. And we want to bring the power down like we have done before. 2s becomes 2 log 2 all over 2 log 3 plus 1. And 2 can obviously cancel out. You'll be left with 2s equals to log 2 all over log 3 plus 1. You remember log A over log B is the same thing as log A base B, change of base log. So we're going to do that here. So 2x will therefore be equals to log 2 base 3 plus 1. So we want to divide through by 2. We want to divide through by 2, the coefficient of x. It will therefore become over 2 or over 2. So 2 cancels 2 be x equals to log 2 base 3 plus 1 all over 2. Or in a more simpler form, we can therefore write x equals to 1 plus log 2 base 3 all over 2 by writing the constant first. So we want to verify if this answer actually satisfies our original equation. So to verify our answer, in the place of x, we are going to put 1 plus log 2 base 3 all over 2. So it becomes 9 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 3 all over 2 times 9 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 3 all over 2 is equals to 36. And this becomes 9, 2 times 1 plus log 2 base 3 all over 2 equals to 36. And if you remember, when we have a raised to power n, the same thing as a m times n. So we are going to do this. That is why this can cancel out. It will now be left with 9 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 3 equals to 36. And this is the same thing as 9 raised to power 1 times 9 raised to power log 2 base 3 equals to 36. And this becomes 9 raised to power 1 times 3 raised to power 2. Remember, log 2 base 3 equals to 36. And the power can go up. It becomes 9 times 3 log 2 raised to power 2 base 3 equals to 36. If we have a raised to power log b base a, it becomes eventually a b. The reason is when a b is raised to a log with the same base, it cancels out. So that same vein, we have 3 cancels out log to base 3. So what is left will be 9 times 2 raised to power 2 is 4 equals to 36. And previously we have 9 times 4 as 36. So 36 is equals to 36. So if you have watched to this extent, I presume you are enjoying the video and you are enjoying what we are doing. Please don't go without subscribing. Hit on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know anytime we publish a new video.